Hello and welcome back to my channel. Let's make this beautiful top together. I already carved out my stencils, so I'm going to be using the stencils that I've carved out. So this is the front facing, and this is the side of the front. So I've cut it out and we can see this is the back and the front. So we are going to be joining these parts together. If you want to see more about how to calculate and cut out a pattern, I have other videos on my channel that you can equally watch and see how to cut a basic bodice pattern. So this one, we are just going straight to the point. So let's join the parts together. I've joined the shoulder and the sides, the front what do they call it, the front bodies. So this is how this forms. I want to join the sides together. So let's sew this together. So what I want to do is that I want to do an inward stitch. I don't want any of the things to be outside, the stitches to be outside. So we are going to do everything from the inside. So I've taken out my measurement and then I'll be sewing the side. So the one thing about this dress is that I don't want it to be tight on me, since the material is heavy and it's very good for the winter. So you can dress with it and you feel warm and you're good to go. So my waist and everything, I've not taken it to the exact measurement because I don't want it to be tight on me. I want it to be free. I want to feel free inside. So this is how the side looks that we have already sewn. So I'll be turning that in out so you see how it looks. So this is the arm. Voila, as you can see the lining inside and the material outside. So for the flare, we are going to be doing that later on. So to be able to make it to be very smooth from out inwards, I'm opening it up like this, but I'm going to iron it down. I'm going to iron it down so that it can be very flat. So that'll be nice and it will lie very nicely on my body. So this is how it looks. Okay, what I've done is that I've already sewn the base. I have joined the linings together so that it should not be moving. So I've put it together and put all the points together and I've sewn. So now I want to put in my pleats. I'll be doing some box pleats. So you place the material on the top and then you start forming the pleats. So what I do is that I always like to form my pleats first before I sew, so that when I'm sewing I just go and I just focus on the sewing and that's all. I don't like putting pleats while sewing because I like it to be even. So I take my time and I calculate it and I make sure that everything is equal and good to go. Then you go in for the sewing. So this is what I have done so far. I've already put in all the pleats, so I'm going to sew it. Then you'll see it, how it looks on my body. I know you already saw it from the beginning, but this is how it is. It's very simple and nice. It's very good for, I'm actually doing this for the winter that is coming. So you see how it's well covered right up to my neck level, so protection from the cold, because with this now I can wear a jacket on it and I'm good to go. So thank you very much for watching and I hope that you subscribe to my channel and you stay tuned for more. This dress is very simple and a very practical dress that you can make and it's good to go. So thank you so much. Stay tuned for more. I'll be doing many more winter dresses for outings. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.